All right, guys, so this is just a quick intro before the actual video starts. I want to apologize if there's any video quality issues or sound issues. So we got a mic, better lighting, the camera is different. So we just got to get everything adjusted, and then once we get that figured out, then the next video will be even better. But just bear with us meanwhile we get this whole thing situated, and then we'll go from there, guys. Welcome back, guys, to Cheap Tool Reviews, where we review the cheapest tools from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish. You name it, we'll review it. If you even see it on a different website, please put it in the comments, guys, and we will try our best to review it. And for those of you that are subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, guys, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, comment, share, and hit the notification bell so you guys can know when we upload new videos. So we normally try to upload videos on Wednesdays, but this last Wednesday we had some technical difficulties, software issues, video issues. So today's a whole new day, guys. We're gonna review the tool, and we're gonna see what we can do. So I know I normally do unboxing, but this time it's a different situation with this tool. We actually got far into the review process and the batteries were dead. So we did charge the batteries, but right here we got the cheapest electric ratchet on eBay, guys. $47.50 shipped to my house. It has some good weight. It doesn't seem bad, guys. So we're gonna review this tool and see how it performs, guys. We're gonna check the rating on the description. If I remember correctly, it's rated to 35 foot-pounds that it can loosen. So we're gonna test that theory and see if their description is accurate. This one did come with 2 batteries. They're both fully charged, guys. So we're gonna be able to test it out to its full capability. Came with a charger. This charger, guys, it is not that nice, to be honest with you. It looks like a cell phone charger of some sort. There's no dock or anything like that. The only thing that you get is just a red and a green light. Green, fully charged. Red, of course, it needs charge. So the first thing I want to point out with this tool, guys, is that I know is incorrect. There's 2 lights right here. So it lights up green saying it's fully charged, but I know that's incorrect because even with the other batteries, guys, it was dead and it was still coming up green. So I'm thinking that there's just a generator inside that's, you know, as long as it's spinning, it's coming up green. I mean, even if you have a dead battery, it's gonna say it's green. Other than that, it has some good weight to it, guys. We got the forward and reverse right here, just like you would a normal ratchet. So that's reverse, that's forward there. We also have a light here on the bottom. So, you know, if you're trying to wrench on your car, you got a dark area, you can get in there still with this. The one thing I do notice that kind of bugs me, that there's no branding on the tool. You know, of course, it's a cheap tool. We can't expect it to, you know, be a name brand, but I mean, they could have put, you know, electric ratchet on there or some type of information, a warning label as to, you know, it's a cheap tool and we don't know what can happen with it. But we're gonna go outside, guys. We're gonna get this thing reviewed and we're gonna put it to its test. We're gonna torque down some bolts, see if it can loosen them. If it can, great. If it can't, then we're gonna go to what it can do. And if it can go over that, then we're gonna tighten it above the description level and see, you know, if we're able to loosen up some bolts, guys. But let's go outside, guys, and let's get this review started. All right, guys, so here we are with the workbench that we do all our reviews on. So we're gonna torque this down to 35 foot-pounds, guys, because that's what the description of this tool says. And we're gonna see if it can loosen it. If it can, then we'll go up in it. If it can't, then, you know, we're gonna go to what it can loosen and, you know, see if it's even worth buying. So I got the good old torque wrench here, guys. We're gonna torque it down to 35 foot-pounds. So let me, right there. Oh, wrong way. All right, guys, 35 foot-pounds. So we're gonna check this out and see if it can loosen it. If it can, then it'll be, you know, it'll be a good start. But if it can't, then we'll see what it can do. Because this is how far we got to in the first review, and so that's why I charged it up, guys, because it was not fully charged. So let's check it out. This is where it failed us last time, but I'm thinking because the battery was dead. No, guys, that's a no-go. 35 foot-pounds, guys. It cannot do 35 foot-pounds. So we're gonna, well, I guess since it can't do that, guys, we're gonna go we're gonna loosen it and tighten it to something less and see what it can loosen, guys. So I guess we'll try 35 foot-pounds now. I mean 30 guys, because we just tried 35. So there's 30. All right, let's test this out and see if we can do 30, guys. So already off to a bad start. No, guys, this not even 30. So I'm gonna say so far this tool is not. Description, clearly they're lying to us. I mean, that's why we do these reviews, guys. We're gonna see what it can do. So let's go even further down, guys. Let's do 25 and see if we can do that. So there's 25 there. All right, let's tighten that up. We got 25 right there, guys. Let's see if they can loosen this up. No, guys, not even 25. All right, 20 now. Let's see if this tool is not even worth it, guys, at this point. 20 foot-pounds, guys. I mean, you don't even, you could take that off easily. So let's check this out. Let me loosen this up real quick. See if we can do this. See, guys, that was hardly anything. No, guys, it's not even trying anymore. Maybe. No, guys, I thought maybe I was holding it at an angle and it wasn't working. So, what are we at again? Wow, 20 foot-pound, guys. Well, 15 then. See if we could do 15. So here we are, guys. 15 foot-pounds. Let's see if we can do this. That's hardly anything, guys. It's at this point, this tool is a complete waste of money. If we can't even take 20. All right, guys, 15 apparently is what it can do. Yeah, no, this tool, I mean, I could see why they don't put any label on it. They should put right here, like, wasteful tool or something, guys, because this thing sucks. Well, I mean, I guess if all your bolts are torqued to 15 foot-pounds, you can loosen them with this, but anything more, guys, it's not gonna happen. So let's go back inside, guys, and see. Let's go on the final thoughts on this video, guys. All right, guys, so we're back inside, guys. From that, I mean, we tested it, and this tool is a complete waste of money, guys. I wouldn't spend my money on this tool, guys. I mean, clearly I did, but I do it for you guys. So, you know, we buy the cheap tools and review them and let you guys know if it's even worth your money. But this one, guys, it's not even worth it, guys. So, you know, this is clearly gonna go somewhere high up on the shelf that I can't even reach it, because it's just weight at this point, guys. I mean, maybe I can use that as a hammer eventually, but this tool sucks, guys. The other thing that I wanted to point out was the charger. So on one of these batteries, it's pretty, you know, it fits just fine. Goes right in, no problem. But this other one here, you can't, I don't know if you can see on the camera there, but this hole is not even centered. So when I try and put this charger in, it's like, look how crooked it is. So, I mean, it fits, but you just gotta, you know, gotta give it a little push and it'll go in there. But I mean, yeah, they give you 2 batteries, but for what? It doesn't even work with one. So, I mean, unless you're gonna keep trying to loosen a bolt forever and waste all the charge on one battery, but it's not even worth it, guys. I mean, yeah, it has some good weight, so I was hoping a good outcome out of this tool, because this was something I wanted to see myself using when I work on my cars. But like I said, guys, it's not even worth it. The on and off switch, you know, that does work, so I'll show you that. Actually, that brings me to another topic. This battery, guys. So it's like, it's triangle, you know, but it doesn't, see, okay, there we go. So it only goes in one way, of course, but since it's perfectly triangle, you can't tell what's the correct way. That's one of my biggest things that I don't like about this tool. But what I was going to show you, this on and off switch does work. So off, on, that does work. Ergonomics, the weight and the feel of this in my hand, it's nice. But I mean, what's the purpose of a nice tool if it doesn't work, guys? So that being said, guys, this tool, do not buy this tool, guys. Waste of money, complete junk. This is gonna go, you know, up high on the shelves, guys. The other two tools that I reviewed so far, I've used them on my, you know, my normal days that I need to use tools. But this tool, guys, complete disgrace. You know, they shouldn't even sell this tool. They should stop making it. They need to contact whoever makes this in China and tell them, you know, the tool sucks. It's no good, guys. So join us, guys, for next week. We're gonna do another review. And like I said, guys, please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, guys. And make sure you tell your friends, don't buy this tool, guys. Thank you. I was messing with the tool, guys, and look at this. I can actually hold the piece. Oh, wait. I can hold it with my hand. So yeah, guys, this tool, it's just a bunch of plastic and a really cheap motor that's in here that can't even, that I can hold it, guys. So don't buy the tool.